Imagine having all the information, tools, and context you need to get more done in the conceptual phase of projects. Welcome to Forma Site Design, AI-powered cloud software for architects and designers. Set up your site in minutes with real-world contextual data and precise geo-coordinates to ensure your design is grounded and accurate from day one. Sketch massing studies, define building levels with real-time area metrics, so your design aligns with your program requirements. Drive smarter design outcomes from the start with environmental analyses supported by AI for sun, daylight, noise, wind, carbon, and more. Compare analysis results, evaluate trade-offs, and optimize building performance with confidence. With Forma Board, you can collect ideas and document decisions made, supported by metrics and visuals, to present a convincing design vision, stay aligned with your team, and accelerate design reviews. Advance to the next stage of design by connecting Forma Site Design with Revit and the broader Autodesk ecosystem, while extending its capabilities through custom or third-party extensions. Successful projects start with Forma Site Design. Get started at autodesk.com/formasitedesign.